And welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube using your computer. So, if you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Log in to your account and on the left side of your screen you will see the liked videos section. Here you can delete videos individually by clicking on the three dots on the right side of the video and selecting Remove from liked videos. However, if you want to delete all of your videos at once, follow these simple steps. Click on your YouTube profile at the upper right corner of your screen and select Settings. Then click on View or change your Google account settings and select Manage your data and privacy. Next, click Web and App Activity and then click on Manage all web and app activity. Click on Other Activity at the upper left side of your screen and scroll down until you see YouTube likes and dislikes. Click on View likes and dislikes and select the checkbox at the top left corner to select all your liked videos. Then click on Delete and confirm by clicking Got it. Now, all of your liked videos are deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. And don't forget hit the bell notification so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next one and have a great